Hello guys, as you can see, I'm using an angelistic laser. If you don't have the angelistic laser, you can use a nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol. This is just a way to deglaze or just to prepare the leather for dyeing. So like you can take the first coat of the paint, and then it's much better to deglaze it first so the paint will stay longer. This is a pre-owned Louis Vuitton Vernes color beige, and now I'm going to restore it. The client already painted it with color black, so I'm planning to repaint it with color dark brown Angelus acrylic. So just stay tuned and continue watching for the second step. Thank you. Guys, I'm only doing the handle first, and only the color black Vachetta I'm going to repaint, but the canvas I will keep it as it. And now I'm going to use Angelus dark brown acrylic paint. Like, you can put 1 to 2 coat, it depends on you, and just use acetone if the brushes get dry sometimes, and you can reuse it anytime. Once the paint is already dry, you can use Angelus matte acrylic finisher to seal the paint, and just let it dry for 24 hours. Unfortunately, I accidentally deleted all the videos that I recorded on how I paint the entire brown vachetta of the bag, but it's already dry. So now I'm going to seal the paint by using Angelus acrylic matte finisher, and then after that I use another product that is the leather sheen, just to make sure and double check that all the paint is dry and sealed. So if you're interested on this bag, this is for sale. You can just message me directly on my Facebook page. I have Mercari and Poshmark Closet, so you can check it out, and you can just message me on this. Just comment down below.